last one for me to finish. I didn't go quite in order here. I started in chapter 7, but anyway, this is my last one to finish the book. Chapter 6, section 11, three-dimensional figures. So, a side is called a face, it's a flat surface. An edge is where two faces meet. And then a vertex is where three faces meet, or at least three or more faces meet. That'd be a vertex, or just a corner. Now, if you have a curved surface, that would also be a vertex right there. And here, a flat surface on a could be a circle. Doesn't have to be a polygon. If the flat circle surface is a circle, like the bottom of a cone or the top or bottom of a cylinder, that can be a surface. Right? A face, that can be a face. They're all surfaces. Anyways, these are called, if they've got circles involved, these are spherical. If they come up to a point, these are conical. And otherwise, they're cylindrical figures. If the top and bottom are the same, if they have two bases, those are cylindrical. These all are called, these are polyhedrons right here. Curved surface figures are not polyhedrons. These are not polyhedrons. If they're polyhedrons, only have flat surfaces. Right? So, classify as spherical, conical, or cylindrical. That's what these are. So, a cereal box, well, that would be cylindrical. It'd be a rectangular prism. And then a basketball, well, that would be spherical. A sphere is a ball. It's a fancy word for a ball. It has no base. This has one base, a cone, and a cylinder has two bases. So these are your possibilities with circles involved. Name the figure that is not a polyhedron. I'm not doing that one anyways. Number 9, write the name of the polyhedron. Well, that's either a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid. It looks like a square, but you name the base and then you say whether it's a prism or a pyramid. The base, if the base is a square, it's a square pyramid. If the base is a rectangle, it's a rectangular pyramid. Now this is triangle, so that would be a triangular prism. And identify the correct transformation. If you rotate clockwise, that's going to be turning it this way, like that. And so 90 degrees, so that would be A. Classify the angle, that's acute. And I don't have a protractor, it's like 30, 35 degrees, somewhere around that. The complement of a 74-degree angle. Well, I'm just going to subtract that from 90. The complement would be 16 degrees. The supplement of 164, well, I'm going to subtract that from 180, and that again would be 16 degrees. What is the total angle measure in a circle? And that's 360 degrees. And rename 4/5 to a higher term. Well, I'm just going to multiply each of them by 2. That would be 8/10. You could have, that's one answer. You could have all kinds of answers. Multiply them both by 3, that would be 12 over 15. Multiply them both by 10, that'd be 40 out of 50. But anyways, well, that's it. I hope you have a great day.